welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. For those of you who know me, welcome back, and for those of you who don't, I'm Pia and I'm your host for all things luxe. On today's video we've got Vlogmas Day 2 and Miss Dorette has invited me to decorate their Christmas tree with them. However, before we start decoration and Christmas theme on this vlog, I didn't wake up like this, so let's go get my makeup done. I just received a Bobbi Brown package. Literally just opened it. I was like, no. Let's do makeup together. Oh, there's a beautiful letter from the Bobbi Brown team that is so cute. Gonna save that because I'm a little sentimental like that. I am going to consider this the first official Christmas letter. All right, let's see what we've got in here. So you might have seen a couple of vlogs ago, I actually took you to Galeries Lafayette to get my makeup done with Laura at the Bobbi Brown counter. This was an invitation from the brand for me to be able to discover the experience, talk to you about it, and you actually did see it a couple of vlogs ago. If you haven't, I will link it in here for you. It was a very festive vlog, taking you around in Christmas parties in Paris, and we also went, like I was telling you, to get my makeup done. Laura is actually one of the main, if not the main, makeup artist of Bobbi Brown here in France. And what we did together was a masterclass that you can actually book with her if you're interested, in which she will teach you how to do your makeup, obviously using a lot of different Bobbi Brown products. And if you purchase some Bobbi Brown products, that will be discounted from the price of the actual masterclass. So that translated to girl math, it kind of ends up being free. Now, on a more serious note, I will leave all of that information linked down in the description box below in case seriously, stuff just keeps falling today. I will leave all of that information linked on the description box down below in case you're interested in getting your makeup done by Laura or doing a masterclass with her. She taught me so many tips and tricks. I am so grateful to have the whole experience filmed in video because that means I can go back to it and check out all the tips and tricks that she taught me. Let's see what they've sent and let's put that into practice. So first off, I'm going to start using this product. This was actually the first one that Laura used on my skin as well. And it's the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Now, this is an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. It's good for all skin types, and it's enriched with vitamins B, C, and E as well. It's going to moisturize my face while obviously enriching it with those vitamins and help my makeup last longer. I love the idea of an all-in-one primer and moisturizer. Next off, I've got the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This one's got 15 SPF and it's a non-greasy foundation. I'm gonna do 3 pumps. They've sent me the color Warm Beige, which is W046. I'm wearing literally zero fake tan today. Seems like a pretty good match. Maybe I should have like day 4 of fake tan to match it perfectly, but it's fine. I'll blend it into the neck. I definitely want to get my hands on the Bobbi Brown brushes, which I used to love and adore when I lived in the States like forever ago. To be fair, Laura did apply quite a lot less of foundation. What I'm seeing is that it's absolutely buildable because I like a little bit of a built-up coverage. But what I'm seeing is that it doesn't look cakey. I think today I'm doing a high neck, so I'm not really going to blend it into the proper décolleté area. Here you can see the texture a little bit better. I think it's blended beautifully. I would definitely say it's a fast to medium type of foundation in which you need to like work it once you've put it into the skin. Overall, I'm very happy with that sort of luminous, medium coverage, lightweight feel. I don't feel like my face is cakey or hard or anything like that. Very, very lovely. All right, next off on the things they sent me, we've got the Skin Full Cover Concealer. And to go with the foundation, it's also a weightless concealer. And this one, we've got it on the color Beige, which I'm guessing is a little bit lighter than the foundation. I think there's just something so lovely and minimal and, yes, dare I say it, quite luxury about Bobbi Brown's packaging. It's got a very interesting applicator that comes with a sort of well in there so you can collect a little bit of the product. Because it's on the lighter and warmer side of things, it's a type of concealer that I will normally use to sort of color correct under my eyes. Now, I don't have a product for eyebrows, so I'm just gonna go ahead, get my eyebrows ready, and then come back to you. I've done my brows. I've also done a little bit of a brownie eyeshadow on the crease, and now I'm going to move on to the next product, which is the Longer Cream Eyeshadow Stick. Now, you might have seen me use this once, but in another shade. Very excited to own it. It's called Bellini, and it's a beautiful sort of rosy, champagne, almost peachy undertones, shimmery shadow stick. Put on some on the inner corner and then bring it down on the like lower third, really close to the lash line. And then with the Zoeva flat brush, I'm just gonna blend that into the eyelid. It adds a little bit of light into the look. It's still something that's shimmery, but I think absolutely wearable on an everyday basis as well. So this is the eye stand. Now what I'm gonna test is how much I can build it up. There we go. Definitely buildable. Gives a little bit more of that gilded sort of look. So I'm looking for that shimmer. I mean, it is Vlogmas after all. Let's do a third layer of building it up. I think it is so beautiful. And if it's anything like the other color I have, it does not crease throughout the day. Pro makeup artist tip that Laura actually gave me during our masterclass. If we don't apply eye cream in the morning, we will prevent eyeshadows from creasing throughout the day. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of highlight, and then I'll be right back to do the last bit. All right, now moving on to the last step of these Bobbi Brown sort of get ready with me. I actually wanted to keep it like a Bobbi Brown exclusive since they so kindly sent all of these gifts to me. This last one here will be the Smoky Eye Mascara, and it's in the color Black. You might have seen me use this one during the masterclass day. All right, so I love the fact that there are a lot of different bristles in there, but it doesn't charge so much product that you're gonna get clumps in your application. It's definitely lengthening. It's funny because when you see a brush like this one, you think it's gonna apply a lot of product. However, you definitely have to work it in there and build it up, which is my personal preference, because I'd rather have to do like 2 layers if I want it a little bit more supercharged or something like that, than having had too much product applied from the get-go. It looks so lovely as a sort of like Christmas Day makeup, very festive. There's a little bit of glitter, but it's still quite minimal, so it still goes with my like everyday style. I think this might be the makeup I repeat for Christmas. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm very, very happy with the final look. I think it's gonna be super cute for maybe Christmas Day or Christmas brunch day after. I don't know, but I'm definitely wearing this non-stop around the holidays. It's a little bit sparklier than I normally go for on my everyday basis, but I think Bellini, it's gonna be my Vlogmas staple eyeshadow. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pick an outfit of the day, get ready, and take you with me later this afternoon to go to decorate the Christmas tree of Maison Lorette. As you know, I am one of their ambassadors, and I've also become really close friends with the owner. And so today we're doing the Christmas decoration of the boutique together, make a girly day out of it. And yeah, so I'll take you along with me for a little bit of Christmas festivities on this Vlogmas Day 2. Oh my God, you guys, look at this Christmas tree. Backstage is auch am dritten Service. Did you find it? Yes, I did. I just wanted to give you a little overview of the most beautiful boutique. I swear, is this a little mignonnerie or what? It actually goes with my nails. Love it. There's also the new headband design. Red, but make it chic. Then the last hat I want to show you right now is this one, which is one of the latest creations. I think it's absolutely exquisite. This is going to look so good today I'm wearing this one, and it's actually attached with this little clips inside, so I can go morning to night with this one on and it won't budge, which is perfect. This one's part of the Iconics collection from the house, so it's a permanent model. It will always be made to measure, but you can request it and they'll have it done for you. I got mine last autumn winter and I'm obsessed with it still. I think it's lovely. It adds a lot of luminosity. Love the way the brown matches the rest of my outfit. Do you know what? Let's actually do a cool outfit of the day. But like I was saying, for today's outfit of the day, I am wearing one of my absolute favorite hats from Maison Lorette. This one's from the Iconics collection, which is their permanent timeless pieces collection. They are pieces that are still made to measure and they will be bespoke pieces, so it depends on your measurements, etc. However, it is a model that you can request no matter what time of the year you're at. Obviously, it's more of an autumn-winter piece because it's made in felt. However, they will also propose it in summer tissues or fabrics. Now, for the rest of today's outfit of the day, I'm wearing a merino wool turtleneck, married that with my new Hermès belt, which you will have seen me unbox on my latest unboxing. If you haven't seen that one, I will link it in there for you. I've also got this type of trouser, chocolate brown trousers married with chocolate brown boots, and I've got a chocolate brown bag, which I absolutely adore because it's got the little horses in there, and I thought it was very appropriate for being in Normandy today. And then I've topped all of that up with a cashmere and wool coat, and that, you guys, will be today's little outfit of the day. Oh, and just one last thing, for jewelry, I've done my earrings from husband. I thought the tiger's eye in there and the opal would marry really nicely with the rest of the look. And that will be it. Let's go ahead and build this Christmas tree before we have no more light. We've got pearls, and we've also got this giant bubbles in kind of like pearly colors as well. We've got the tree in there. So cute. Hi, you guys. So Nancy, one of my girlfriends here, has joined us today. How are you doing?
Hello.
And I just wanted to quickly show you her latest Maison Lorette hat. It's a beautiful fur felt combined with leather. It's got some yellow gold details in it. She's come join us on her birthday so we can all build the Maison Lorette Christmas tree today. Okay, you guys, so we've just been joined here with our fourth and last friend here in Deauville. This is Leslie, who's also joining us to finish the tree decoration. And I've also wanted to show you her gorgeous hat. Look at this mignonnerie. It is absolutely stunning. And it looks so cute with how she's dressed today. Love it. So chic. Okay, let's continue this tree decor. We've got our ribbons here. I think you can really tell which ones I've made and which ones Laura's made.
No.
Because hers are very manual, very beautiful.
This one is so cute.
Yeah, because you made it. That's why it's so cute. And we've got little Biquette here. Hello, Biquette. You're doing your little stretches.
Ah, je vais te mettre un petit ruban. J'adore.
You look so cute there with your little ribbon to match the tree, don't you? It is looking so pretty. We've still got the main piece to be put up there. It is looking so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Such a girly little tree. We're gonna do like kind of a decoration for the bottom part. Okay, so here we've got it. The finished ultimate girly tree, complete with only Maison Lorette gifts. Instead of a star, we've gone for this absolutely stunning canotier. It's actually nighttime, so that's why we're not having the best lighting. But how beautiful is this setup? Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this tree. And obviously everything that you see in here has been handmade by Laure. This is actually a model that can be purchased. It's more of a summertime one. It's just it matched the tree style that we went for. I'm absolutely obsessed. Love it, love it, love it. All right, you guys, that was it for this video. Let me know what was your favorite part on the comments down below, and I'll see you for the next Vlogmas day after tomorrow. I will also leave the Vlogmas list and a couple of other videos linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!